How to remove credit or debit cards from the Bolt app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily remove credit or debit cards from the Bolt app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to add a card quickly. Open the Bolt app. Tap on the menu, then tap on Payments. Tap the Add Debit or Credit Card button. Fill in the card details and tap on the Add Card button. Bolt may charge a small amount to confirm your card details. The amount will be immediately refunded. Now to remove debit or credit cards, go to the Payments. Here you will see your cards. To remove, just press, hold and slide to the left, and the card will be removed. So this is how to remove cards from Bolt.